Hey guys, Steve here. I know this video is going to be a little different than I've had in the past, but if you've watched some of my other videos and you've subscribed for a while, you know that I have a robot lawnmower, and I just think it's the coolest thing in the world. And I've had some issues with it, but I contacted the company and it's come back and it's doing some beautiful lines here. But most recently, I have a pool. I live here in Southwest Florida, and I was paying my pool guy an incredible amount of money per month to maintain my pool. And by maintain the pool, he was supposed to scrub the pool, add the salt water and all of that. But he would come, he'd be here for 5 minutes and he'd leave. And for the amount of money I paid, I wanted to try to do it myself. But scrubbing your pool is not fun. So I went online, I talked to some other people. Everybody else has those pool vacuums that you hook it to the skimmer and it kind of like bounces around. And it just sucks up and it bounces around. Well, when my pool company installed my pool, I only have this one outlet here. So I only have the option to hook it to the skimmer. So I could run the pipe and have something bounce around. Now those things that you put in the pool that bounce around, they're like $700. The cheapest one was like $300. So I went on Amazon and YouTube, did a lot of research, and I picked up this guy. This guy is an AIPER Scuba S1. So we have deemed him Bernie because our mower is Wally and our vacuum is Rosie. So this guy is Bernie. And I don't know if you've ever seen the movie Wally from Disney, but Bernie also has a wheel like this. So let me show you how easy this is. Let me put this tripod up and we'll get some video on this. All right, so here's the unit. There's the pool. You charge this guy up. It's very simple. It's straightforward. There's a basket here. You unload the basket, put it back in there. A push and hold. Turns it on. You have your selectors, floor only, walls only, eco, and all around. So we're going to set it to all around. We have it on the ground. He clicks. That's it. You leave him alone. 3 hours. He'll suck himself to the bottom of your pool, and he runs for 2.5 to 3 hours. He will vacuum. He will scrub. He will go up the walls, and you don't have to do anything. As soon as he's seated there on the bottom, you'll see him start to move. See the little jet of water behind him, and there he goes. Is that not the coolest thing? I've only had him for a little bit, but I'm liking him already. He's cleaned the pool, the walls, the floor, and he'll just go around for about 2 to 3 hours. He'll clean everything up. He even gets up on this little step here. He gets up on the other steps, and he's small enough where I can put him in the hot tub. So he'll go around and he'll clean up the hot tub too. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I also did a little unboxing that I'll show you later too. And yeah, I'll run him for a little bit. I'll put an affiliate link out there, so if you're interested in picking one up, you can see the exact model that I've got. There he goes up the wall again. He hits the jet, doesn't matter. He's got that little booster jet behind him. And he just goes around and figures it out. So if you're like me and you don't want to spend hours on a weekend cleaning up your pool, robots, man. Robots.